Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my breakfast before work. So today I woke up craving some onion rings. I know, crazy, right? And I've been on a special diet, like no starch or whatever. But no, today I felt like a little bit of, because when I'm making my orange rings I put a bit of flour, so I don't know how that is going to work out, but I'm just gonna make a very weird breakfast for me. I know I'm supposed to eat healthy, but I think this is healthy. It's not bad. It's just fried onions and boiled eggs are healthy, raw tomatoes are healthy, oats are healthy. It's a heart marked breakfast, so it's very healthy for me. So yeah, this is how I start my day before I go to work. Me in traffic in the morning. This is what I go through in the morning. Nothing. On my way to work, go through traffic every single day. Oh, it's me going to work. I got Danny. Look what happens if you're in traffic.
Okay, so Joy, ne?
It's crazy, like
right? And then her colleague goes. So
but well, what can we do? today we are going out for a walk, nature walk. We're going to pick some leaves and some twigs. So this week our theme was autumn. So we decided to go out for a nature walk and pick leaves. And then we are going to paste them on a big piece of paper. The kids love this activity so much. They get to be creative and be themselves. So yeah. Go! I love this race. I hope next week I'm gonna explain what it means. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.